This brake bleeder kit is designed so one person can flush and bleed hydraulic brakes and clutches using vacuum, which makes routine maintenance far less of a hassle in a home garage. The generous 2-liter collection tank and separate 1-liter refill bottle mean you can pull out old fluid and feed in fresh fluid continuously without constantly stopping to top off the master cylinder. Long silicone hoses and the included assortment of adapters give it broad compatibility with both standard and anti-lock braking systems, as well as direct work at the master cylinder. A simple thumb-controlled valve lets you fine-tune airflow and fluid extraction speed, while a locking ring keeps the vacuum drawing steadily during longer bleeding sessions. The integrated silencer and flexible hoses noticeably cut down on noise and splashing, turning what is usually a messy, loud job into a cleaner and more controlled process. Its compact size and very light weight make it easy to carry around the vehicle, store on a shelf, and handle comfortably even for users who are not used to pneumatic tools.